So today I'm going to show you how to boost a dead vehicle with a good vehicle that's running. So right now my truck is dead. I tried to start it and that's what we get. No power. No power. So we need a booster. So you need a set of booster cables first of all. It's best to keep the other vehicle running when doing a boost. So we're gonna look on our battery where the red is the positive and the black is the negative right there. So we take our positive and we put it on, and we take the negative and we put it on. And the other two wires, you can see, the booster cables, sorry, are not touching each other. Now if you let these two wires touch each other, you're going to create a spark. Now it's nothing to worry about, it's not too crazy, but you don't want to have them holding against each other or you're going to cause problems. Put the red on the positive, which is right here, that's the positive, going to the red, and then the black on the negative. So here we go, positive, negative. Okay, so now it's been about a minute, probably less, but there we go. So that's how you boost a car. Hit the like, subscribe, all that good stuff if you guys actually found this useful.